Today I start working with a plan. Here you see the plan. We describe how you use tile, and then we make an endless landscape. First, for the landscape with the tile, we make a normal landscape however you like. And for now you ignore a tile. Maybe you use an aspect ratio that fits a landscape, like dash dash AR 3 2, and then you pick one. Doesn't matter what, something you like. And now we make a subtile variation. This is important. Make sure you activated remix beforehand. And you can do that in settings, dash settings. And once you get to the subtile, you make dash dash tile. Now it will make sure those borders will match with each other. Each of those got now a border that's continues to the other side. We took this one because this looks best. And those trees start over here, and those rocks start over here as well. However, as you can see with this really big dark splash, it's not really as smooth as we want. So we just make a rary region again. Again, subtile. No, not a rary region, just a rary subtile. After that, we got it smoothed out, and we take one of them, and now each part goes on the other side and blends really well. It's as it should be. Now you got an endless pattern of this. But that would look boring and repetitive. Therefore, we go to Rary Region and select with the box select everything except the borders you want to keep. You can keep it really big borders, that way you change only the inside, or really small ones where you just keep some of the pixels at the edge and force Midjourney to be more creative. Or you take the upper sides, you can make it however you want. Those sides you don't select, those will be matching with each other. And now you just write what you want, whatever. Describe your image in here. Here I made a train station, and as you can see with those sides, they match on this border, but not on this border. The same with a cave. This matches perfectly. You don't know where exactly the border will be, but here it doesn't match at all. Same with a volcano. And I didn't expect the Arctic to look like that, but that's what I got. Maybe I should have used a few more words than just one single word. You can also use image prompts, but I didn't do that. I upscaled all of them, and to test if they work together, I merged them in MS Paint, but you could use any other program, and you see it is a continuous landscape that changes however I want. Maybe don't do it as drastic, but you can do whatever you want and stitch together images perfectly.